Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty, the hub of free money app. Today we shall be learning how to register for a new mining app, Marina protocol. Simply go to the Play Store and type Marina protocol, then search. This is it. If you are yet to install, you will see install here, click it, and once you install, click open. You will click open. Yeah, this is my account because I already registered, so for the people of this tutorial, I shall log out from my account and then teach us how to register for a new account. And once you open your app, an interface like this you open up, simply click continue with Google account. This interface you open up, pick a username, your own username. After picking your username, you click next. And then it will ask you if you are really sure of this username. Confirm, click yes. This will open up the next interface. Click next, okay? Asking for a referral code for everlasting reward, extra reward, yes. Then put this referral code popping up on the screen of your phone or device right now. As a referral code, once you input the referral code, this interface will open up. Click next, and then it will bring you back to this interface where you begin your mining immediately. Then simply click the something like a pen down there, touch yourself, and you're ready to go. Once your account opens up, you will see an interface like this. In this interface, you see something like this. There are two different types of tokens or coins to mine, pSurf and pBay. This pBay, you can only get it through watching of advertisement. So the only one you can mine is this. And so what you do is the more you refer, the more your mining rate increases. So like now, I can only mine 1.545 per hour. That is about 34.8 per day. And then when it is time for you to mine, to claim, you see this place may show up. If you want to get ×2 of whatever you've mined, always ensure you watch the advert and then you will get 2 times of what you have mined. Then also there is a daily quiz that is going on. This is the daily quiz. If you click here, I have done mine for today. So we can always provide the answer to you in a Telegram channel. If you just follow us and then we'll search for Crypto Bounty, the name popping up in your screen right now. Well, following our YouTube policy, we cannot add a clickable link to our account right now because we're just starting. So join us to grow this account by liking our videos, sharing our videos, subscribing to our channel, and also hitting the notification bell so that each time we make new videos, you'll be notified. Then we'll be supplying you the answers, daily answers to this pSurf and to this Marina protocol. Then you can also get 100 points daily. And they also have an option to watch an ad when you get the answer correctly. You can also choose to watch an ad to double your earning. And then if you want to refer others, you can simply go to this place. This is your profile picture icon. And then simply click share your nickname and that is all. So this is our own nickname here, FEEMA Fame. Simply use it to register and as a referral code. Also, we'll make use of our daily tickets. This is our daily ticket, so we have about 10 ads to watch. All we have to do is to click these get tickets. Once we click get tickets, an ad that will come out for us to watch. Your time is now renewed. Once you watch the advert, this will come out to be getting ticket for either pSurf or pBay. So just touch any of the screen to close. Then do like this for all until you watch all the 10 ads. So after watching the 10 ads, see you get ticket for either pSurf and pBay randomly. So I've gotten 6 tickets for pSurf and I've gotten 4 tickets for pBay. So how do I use this ticket? Simple, just by touching it, and it will be increasing whatever I have mined. If I touch this, it will increase whatever I have mined. So let us proceed to it. Okay, we can see pay attention to the numbers increasing. Okay, we have exhausted the pSurf, so move to pBay. And that's it. We shall be giving you updates as the events of this mining app unfolds. As it is always the case, we cannot be 100% sure of any mining app, whether it is a scam or it is legit, but as long as we journey with them, continue to see their partnership, read their white paper, see all these things they are doing, they'll get to know their sincerity and how legit or genuine the mining app is. So do it to follow us up in this journey as we continue to give you updates on different mining apps. They will come again your way next time. Remain yours faithfully. Crypto Bounty, remain blessed.